Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to work with the GPS, Boss GPS. Okay, so first of all we have to install the app. So first of all we have to go in Play Store and type Boss. Okay, install it, and after installing, open it, and after opening, we have to click on GPS. Okay, and guys, you see the vehicles which contain GPS. Okay, first and second, I have to click my vehicle. Okay, and guys, you see the location of your vehicle. Okay, it's near Mathura. Okay, and guys, you see the today's driving time, travel time, and rest time. Okay, below. Okay, rest time. Okay, below. Okay, and guys, you can also switch between different views. First one is map view, and other one is satellite view. Okay, guys. Your vehicle. I prefer to work on map view. See on map view. Okay, because this is light and easy to use. Okay, and guys, you see a history of your vehicles, today's history. Okay, so we have to click on history and pull up, and then click on play. Okay, and guys, you see the start and ending point of your vehicle on today. Okay, okay guys, another feature of this GPS, we have to lock the ignition. Okay, and the top right corner of the app, click on lock ignition. Okay, by clicking on the no, we have to lock the ignition. Okay guys, and one more, another thing. huh. yes yes guys, you can also click on overview and check the overview of your vehicles from starting point to end point. Okay, my vehicle moves from Bharatpur to Mathura. Okay guys, so guys, thanks for watching my video.